Namaste everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Kaina. In this video, we are going to learn the pose called Yoga Dandasana. Yoga Dandasana is a powerful asana. This pose requires a great deal of flexibility in the hip region and the pelvis. Let us see a few contraindication of this pose. If you have any injury or any pain on the knee region, ankle, hip and the spine, you should avoid practicing this pose. Let us see how to practice this pose. Begin with Bagalakunte. Join your foot together. From your both hands, lock your foot. Just flap your legs up and down movement. Just now slowly relax. Now slowly stretch your legs forward. From here, bend your left leg, lock your foot complete. Slowly Kasyapasana movement, side to side. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly stay there. Now slowly relax. Let us do same way on the opposite side, right leg. Yes, stretch your legs forward, shake your legs. Now bend your both legs, sit on the buttocks, foot apart. Now place your left leg above the knee. Okay? Don't place your legs too much closer to the thigh, not too much wide like this. Just place it, your ankle above the knee. The foot should come outside of the leg, like this. Stay in this position. You can place your palms on the right leg like this. Yes, from here, complete twist your body towards the right side. The other hand should be back side. Yes, now slowly come back to center. Now this time, complete twist your body, raise your left hand, place your left triceps next to the left foot. Okay, place your other hand in front of your body, twist your body and stay there. Now slowly come back to the center. Yes, now slowly stretch your legs. The other leg in Kasyapasana. Just move your legs side to side movement. Relax. Shake your legs. Bend your right leg. Place your left foot same way. Same way, twist your body. Yes, place your triceps on the foot. Now this time rotate your arm. Okay, try to lift your foot like this. Okay, from in this position, try to lock your shin bone and stay there. Now slowly release and relax. Shake your legs. Same way, let us do the final one, okay? Place your leg, twist your body, just try to place it near to the shoulder or near to the armpit, okay? Adjust the leg properly. From here, lift your leg up. From in this position, take your leg towards the right side little bit, okay? Now slowly adjust the leg, try to lock your knee, drop your leg back, place your other hand on the knee like this, palms in chin mudra and stay there. Yes, this is the final position of Yoga Dandasana. Yes, now slowly release and relax. Now slowly, when you're releasing the pose, just shake your legs Just move your legs in Shishupalasana movement, side to side. Just now slowly relax. Shake your legs. Try to practice this pose same way on the other side also. Let us see few benefits of this asana. Stretches and strengthens the muscles of the hip, arms, shoulders and the inner thigh. One of the main reasons to practice this pose is helps to with improving the breathing. Activate the abdominal area, the chest, rib cage all together. I hope this video is helpful for you with the practicing of this pose. If you have any doubt regarding to this asana, please write down in the comment section. If you want to learn any new asana, do comment on the comment section. See you on next video. Till then, take care and namaste. Take care.